Hello friends and welcome to a new video. My name is Nikon Karman, and on this video we're gonna talk about the solution to a hiss problem if you have an ATEM Mini and the RODECaster Pro. If you have this setup, ATEM Mini Extreme ISO or any ATEM Mini, and you're doing a live stream or you're recording the videos as I do now live, then you might have encountered a very annoying problem. This hiss, this sound that is going on and on and on, and it's so annoying because instead of going live, in case of you want to stream or record, you have to always do some post-processing with your audio. You can't just do it straight away. And let me show you my setup and what I mean. So if you have one of these at home, this is an ATEM Mini Extreme ISO and I'm recording right now. And in order for you to hear what I'm saying, normally you might have something like this. It's a RODECaster Pro. It's a genius piece of equipment, and as you can see there, I'm recording this show. Why I'm recording the show on my RODECaster Pro and why I'm recording it here as well is because of this annoying issue with the sound. Normally what I would do, I would just record on my ATEM Mini just there, and then the sound and the video merges together simultaneously, automatically, and I just get the file, put it into my Final Cut Pro, and I edit everything. But because I always get this hiss, this annoying sound from my RODECaster Pro into my ATEM Mini, I always have to get the clean audio from the RODECaster Pro and then edit later to the clip, which is annoying and which should never happen. Let me show you the cable that goes from RODECaster Pro to my ATEM Mini. Can you see it here? So this is a 6.35 millimeters jack. You've got two over there, so they're both monos, and from here they all together go to this phone jack over here, which is a 3.5 millimeters. The company is Stagg. It's a pretty decent company, but I still get this annoying sound and I didn't know what to do. Let me come a little bit closer here so you can see, like most of the ATEM Minis, you'll have a mic jack over there. With the ATEM Mini Extreme ISO, you get two microphones and the headphones. With the simple ATEMs, you don't get the headphones jack, which a lot of people are annoyed and confused, and they're always bragging about why Blackmagic don't give us some headphones. Well, I don't know, maybe they should. This annoying hiss that is going on, I've tried to change the cable and nothing works. I have no idea what's the issue, what's the problem, but there is a solution and I'm gonna give it to you on this video. I do understand maybe there is, maybe, you know, when you have a lot of cables, maybe there's some sort of interference between them. You know, there are a lot of HDMI cables, the internet, you know, there is a lot of power cables everywhere, and maybe there's some interference. I'm not quite sure why this happens, but you can hear for yourself. It's very annoying, and there is a solution to that, and it's a quite ingenious thing. But for this we will need to go into the computer. So what you need to do in order to solve this problem, and I was amazed when I found out about this, it works a treat. You have to go here on the left hand side corner, just there, just at the bottom here, you have this knob. You have to go and click on it, and once you click on it, I'll make it bigger for you. You go to audio, you go to general, normally it's going to be here, but you go to general, and here analog audio inputs, normally it will be on microphone plus plug-in power normal. What you have to do, you have to go and switch it to line. Now you can hear that there is a huge difference between what was before and now. Now the sound is so much cleaner, and this is actually unbelievable. Let me go back here to audio, make sure it stayed where I put it. Yes, it's online. And basically, it doesn't really depend on the cable. Of course, if you have a very cheap cable, then there is no chance you'll have a clean audio output. So make sure you buy a decent cable. I went for Stagg. It's pretty good. Never had any issues with it. I think you get a clean output signal with it. I've used it for the last, I don't know, 2 years. Yeah, the last time I bought it on December 2020. So it really works fine for me. But as I said, it's not only the cable, but it's your sort of like environment and what other power sources you have. But use this trick, it's genius. I don't know, maybe if I would have read the book that comes with RODECaster, I should have done it before. But for the last 6 months, I was struggling with this annoying hiss, and I always had to go and do some processing in the Adobe Audition, which was another, half an hour and another annoying thing to do. But yeah, and sometimes it's very strange, because sometimes I was putting the RODECaster Pro on and there was no hiss, but most of the time I got it. And since I did this, it's genius, it works fine. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and if it brought you some value. Otherwise, consider subscribing if you like what I do on this channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself. I'll see you soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.